You have been speaking English for maybe as your second language or even third language for over a long period of time. You may have been wondering about the dream if you could sound like native speakers, right? But your Indian MTI or the accent is likely preventing you from reaching your goal as what you want to do. Now, I don't bother simply whether you do or even not, but if you want to, here's something interesting that I want to address. It's called the voice placement. American English voice placement resonates right within the vocal box or the throat itself. You may see most of the American speakers who don't move their lower jaw as much that we do. That's very subtle movements. And as the placement of the voice of the American speech originates itself from the back, as the tension you may feel if you tuck back your head a bit backward and try to repeat some English phrases, you'll find your speech to be somewhat closer to that of the American pattern while practicing imitation. This is great for you to practice and see the instant progress yourself.